Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. In today's video, I share with you how I prepare this delicious palm nut soup. It is also called Banga soup in Nigeria. Let's get right into it. I'll first begin to boil onion, tomatoes, turkey berries, and habanero pepper. I'll add water, cover it, and allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Whilst that is boiling, I have here ginger, onion, garlic, habanero pepper, and anise seed. I'll add water, blend until very smooth. I also went ahead to marinate and broiled my beef and oxtail at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 1 hour. It's been about 15 minutes and my vegetables is very well cooked. I'll allow it to cool down and then I'll blend it until very smooth. To my soup pot, I'll add in my pre-cooked cow foot and then I'll put in my broiled oxtail. Oxtail is a very tough meat, so it is best to start the soup with it. I'll add half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of beef bouillon, and then I'll add my blended onion, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, and anise seed. I'll give it a stir, cover it, and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. I'll be using two types of palm cream to make the soup. First, I have here Abenkwan. This is the palm cream with herbs. I'll remove it out of the can, put it in a bowl, and then I'll add some hot water. I'll give it a mix and then set it on the side. I also have here my pounded palm nuts with herbs. My mom brought it from Ghana and I'm super grateful and thankful for this. I'll put it in a bowl and then I'll add in some hot water. I'll use my wooden spoon to separate it and then I'll allow it to cool down before putting my hands in it. This palm cream is full of turkey berries and other beneficial herbs, and I'm super excited to be using this. It has cooled down enough for me to put my hands in it, so I'll squeeze out the palm cream and then I'll put the chaffs on the side. I'll continue doing this until all the chaffs is out of the palm cream. I'm more than extracting all the palm cream out of the palm nuts. I'll now go ahead to strain. There is more of the chaffs left inside the grain, so we definitely need to strain it out. This is the pulse I got from the palm cream, so I'll add more hot water and then I will try to extract more of the goodness out of this. Yes, as you can see, there is more of the palm cream inside the chaffs. So I'll begin to squeeze out the pulp out of the palm cream and then I'll go ahead to strain it. After the extraction of the palm cream, I'm going ahead to strain it one more time. I'm making sure that there are no particles or chaffs left inside the palm cream. I'm all done extracting and straining my palm cream from the natural palm nuts that mommy brought from Ghana. I'm super excited, guys. My meat has steamed for about 10 minutes. I'll then strain in my cooked blended vegetables into the soup. I'll make sure to rinse out my blender and then I'll add it into the strainer to extract all the goodness out of the vegetables. I'm doing this because of the turkey berries. I didn't want the chaps of the turkey berries inside the soup. I'll also add in my canned palm cream that I mixed with hot water. I'll then go ahead to pour in my palm cream that mommy brought from Ghana that I extracted. Please make sure you don't add the very bottom to it. You don't want any stones inside your soup. I'll add in my salted tilapia or kobe, my dry catfish or dry fish, and my Aden fruit or prekese. And then I'll allow the soup to boil for about 20 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. After 20 minutes of the soup boiling, I'll add in my broiled beef and my crabs. We gotta have the crabs in the palm nut soup, guys. I'll allow it to boil for about 15 minutes. My daughter came to me and said, Mommy, your soup is going to overflow. And I said, no, baby, it won't overflow. It's going to cook down because we got to add in more stuff. Yes. And after 15 minutes of the soup boiling, I'll add in my snails and my mushrooms. I'll come in with my one onga shrimp tablet and then I'll throw in some hot habanero peppers. I allowed it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes or until oil settled on top and then the soup was ready. And at this point, I was working on my fufu. Yes, you gotta have palm nut soup with fufu, but you can enjoy this with any starch of choice. My favorite part of making palm nut soup is skimming the palm oil. This is actually very healthy because you know exactly what is in this oil. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. This soup was super delicious with my fufu. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. You like, you comment, and you share. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.